Hello everyone and welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to learn how to draw the letter M in a fun and easy way. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First we are going to start with two vertical lines. Draw them parallel to each other about an inch apart. These will form the sides of our M. Next, we are going to connect the top of these lines with a diagonal line. Start at the top of the left line and draw a diagonal line down to the middle, creating a point. Now, from this middle point, draw another diagonal line up to the top of the right line. This forms the second side of our M. Finally, let's add a little style. From the middle point, draw a straight line down to the bottom, creating the middle part of the M. And there you have it, a perfect letter M. You can add some flowers or colors to make it your own. You can also draw a flower inside the letter M or any other design inside it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials.